A great example of GoodWe creating together and winning together is our EcoSmart Kids program. This is something we developed a few years ago from the launch of our roadshow vehicle, which we used to tour Australia to teach our installers and also allow our consumers to find out more about GoodWe. We thought there was an opportunity to take this tool and use it to teach and inspire children about climate change, helping the environment, and how GoodWe solar technology works and benefits communities. This is a great example because it involved so many different people in different departments, both globally and locally. And not only that, it was collaboration with external partners as well, such as the Great Barrier Reef Conservation Project, all coming together to deliver an educational program. We think this program will be very successful going forward, and we hope to take this globally as well. The children learn a lot from and create a positive brand image for GoodWe, particularly leading the way in innovation and looking towards a cleaner, greener future.